Hey guys, what's going on? Jebb here, and in today's video, we are going to be talking a little bit about your favorite altcoin project, Cardano. And the reason that we're going to be talking about Cardano again, because I know I've discussed Cardano quite a bit this week, is because I want to bring you some information that I have not talked about so far, and that is the number of smart contracts that have gone online on the Cardano blockchain following the Alonzo upgrade that went live on Sunday. From there, we're going to be doing some technical analysis on Cardano. We're going to be talking about where Cardano is going to go over this weekend, so make sure to stay tuned because we got a lot of great information. Before we get started though, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button and subscribe to the fastest growing analysis channel here on YouTube for cryptocurrencies. But without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. The number of smart contracts deployed to the Cardano network at the moment is over 2,350. What does this mean for Cardano? I'll tell you what this means for Cardano. It means that Cardano is fastly maturing and becoming a cryptocurrency platform that DeFi and NFTs and everything else that we've seen from the decentralized application ecosystem can be built on top of. All of a sudden, Cardano has shifted and is shifting as we speak from a promise of future innovation to a hub of innovation where actual developments are going online. It hasn't even been a week yet, and we're already seeing decentralized applications number in the thousands. And by the way, most of the decentralized application products, DeFi products, and NFT platforms that are live on Ethereum right now are in the process of moving towards being live on Cardano as well. We are seeing mass adoption in the cryptocurrency space of the Cardano blockchain, and that is a very big deal for anybody who is holding Cardano. So with that said, let's look at the technicals and see how this might impact them. Let's go ahead and jump onto my chart here. I'm going to be very brief on the technicals here because I have covered it quite a bit this week, but I want to give you a couple of updates that we haven't looked at just yet. One of those is the fact that we're in a descending triangle, a symmetrical triangle pattern here on Cardano on the daily chart. And the scary thing about Cardano right now is that unlike Ethereum and Bitcoin that have massive amounts of VPVR support beneath them, Cardano actually has quite a bit of VPVR resistance above it. We can see three major spots of VPVR resistance right around $2.40, right around $2.55, and then again up here at $2.85. So we're in a very strange position with Cardano where the fundamentals are very powerful, but there is much resistance above us. In fact, one of the key levels that we're looking at here is right around $2.42. That is called the point of control, otherwise known as I call it, the VPVR maximum down here on the 4-hourly chart. $2.42 is where we are currently below right now, but we need to get back up above that. And I personally do believe that we're going to break bullish out of this symmetrical triangle pattern, but we're going to need to see some more movement to the upside if that is going to occur. Another thing to take a look at here is the oscillators, on the 4-hourly chart and the daily chart. Right now, we have seen a bearish MACD cross down here on the 4-hourly chart of Cardano. That's not a good sign, and it would be an indication that we're going to break to the downside from here. Looking at our RSI, we can also see that the RSI is pretty low right now, sitting around 39. That's indicative that this is a decent buying opportunity. It's not a great one, but whenever you're buying cryptocurrency and entering a long trade, then you want to make sure you're getting a good deal by buying when the RSI is as low as possible. So that is a good sign. Another thing to take a look at here is the fact that the volume is decreasing as the symmetrical triangle pattern moves on. That's a sign that we're constricting and we're coiling up and we're getting ready for a breakout. You can even see that on the Bollinger Bands. The bands have constricted on themselves quite a bit here on the daily chart, and that is indicative that we are losing all of that volatility. And that volatility, as we know, markets are cyclical, is going to come back in a big way. When? I think relatively soon. So here's the deal. Cardano is in a decisive moment right now. Had a massive run up to $3. What it is doing at the moment is it's creating a massive flag. I'll show you on the chart really quickly. This massive flag is essentially going to catapult us up to $5. Why? Because Cardano is in this giant bull flag right now. It's giant bull pennant, however you want to define it. And then all we have to do here is extrapolate, and then we're starting to see $4, $5 price targets moving into October and November. It's very simple, guys. Smart contracts are going to lead to bullishness on Cardano. They're going to lead to an increase in its market capitalization. Cardano is going to go to over $100 billion market capitalization, and it's going to rally. It just is going to happen. It's got so much fundamental adoption going on right now. Its network is seeing so much more usage than it already has, and the community is probably, if not the number one, certainly in the top 2 strongest, most passionate communities in the cryptocurrency space. So here's the thing. The short-term technicals don't look great, albeit you might even say that the short-term technicals, maybe not the medium-term technicals, over the last month and a half are forming a rounding top here on the chart, but the longer-term technicals, the longer-term fundamentals are very bullish. Short-term says, yeah, we're in this symmetrical triangle pattern. We might break to the downside. We might find support around $2, $2.25, but the long-term technicals are incredibly bullish. So here's what I think. I think we're going to see some very strange movement that's going to be a little bit unpredictable for the next week or so. I think we're going to see a very important weekend. Whether we break up or down is going to have a lot of significance on the price action of Cardano. I think we're going to break up, but time will tell on that. From there, we're going to see Cardano go into a big uptrend over the next 45 days, and I really do think it will be heading towards $5 before the end of the year. But I want to hear your take. What impact are smart contracts going to have on the Cardano network, and how is Cardano going to respond to all of the influx of investment coming from the Ethereum blockchain onto Cardano? Can Cardano handle all of that, or does Cardano still need to grow a lot more before it really warrants that $500 billion market capitalization that Ethereum has now achieved? I'd love to hear your thoughts on that in the comment section down below. Make sure to like the video if you like the video, and make sure to subscribe to the fastest growing cryptocurrency analysis channel on YouTube. That's all I got for you today. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.